is not so. We are going to get our money for our. We will be getting money for our deposit that we have paid. So the value of the recycled material we will not get, because at present time many of us are recycling our waste because we are taking it to the recycler and we are getting money for it. So that money we will not get. That money will be going to the agency that is putting the machine. So we are totally objecting to it. If anyone is interested in putting machines, they can put the container deposit machines and not the reverse deposit machines, because that is, if we put a container in there, we should get cash back. Now yesterday's news has told us that when we get the money back, they will either give it to us on the phone, or they will we have to give a Aadhaar linked bank account, which makes no sense whatsoever unless this agency that is putting these machines is into harvesting information, our information, Aadhaar linked information. So I think that they want to sell it out for advertising also to various companies, so they can bombard us with their advertising. So we are totally against this. Also we are actually saying, we have put the distributors are actually also with us. There are various organizations also, the Waste Collectors Association, the GCCI, and everyone is objecting to it. But many are saying like roll it back by a few months or roll it back by a year, rehash the scheme and things like that. But we as Goa Women's Forum are very clearly saying, scrap this scheme. We do not want it, because in the guise of getting our deposit back, you are actually robbing us of the value of the recycling material. Thank you. Yeah, consumable. See, we have put out various items that we will be charged ERS on, from anywhere from 2 rupees to 10 rupees. Maybe even it will go up, I do not know.
So whatever we buy,
yeah,
that will be chargeable.
That will be chargeable over and above the MRP, which is actually against the packaged commodity rules, which is governed by the Department of Legal Metrology. You know,
So,
and even
so if it is not deposited back, then
you lose that money, the deposit refund money.
So you all want that.
We want the deposit refund scheme scrapped. That's it. That is our demand.
Has it already come into force?
They are charging it to come out on the 1st of April.
First of April.
Yeah.
So now it is done by the central government or the state government?
No, this is only in Goa. Only the state of Goa. It is nowhere else in the country. Only in Goa. And even like I said before, that the agency that they have chosen has no experience in waste management. They are an IT company.
This is the agency that they have
Recycle.
Recycle.
RECYKAL. Recycle. You can Google it. You
So
know, and it will tell you. No expertise whatsoever. And also everyone is misrepresenting. Now they are visiting the panchayats, and they are telling the panchayats it's compulsory, but they have nothing to show that it is compulsory. So they are all being driven out of these panchayats, because they are just going and waxing eloquent. This is all the vested interests. There is nothing else but vested interests, how to make money on the misery of us consumers.
Have they set up any outlets now to get?
No, not a single machine as far as I know has been put up. Because what are they saying? They are asking the panchayat to give them land. They are asking the panchayat to give them electricity connection. They are asking the panchayat to give them internet connection. And they are asking the panchayat to give a list of all the bulk consumers, like restaurants and large who will be using these products in large numbers, like hotels and things like that. So what I'm saying, you have been given the job, you go and find out. No, why are you burdening the panchayats now to give you all this information? The panchayats that we have approached, None of the elected members, especially the women elected members, know anything about DRS.
So as of now, they don't have any infrastructure in place.
No infrastructure in place as far as I know. And it was only yesterday that they said that the money will be put into a Aadhaar-linked bank account. No, doesn't make sense. Why Aadhaar-linked bank account? Unless you want to harvest the information. You're harvesting our information for an ulterior motive, no? Ulterior purpose.
So right now, the government is bulldozing its way.
Yes, they are nothing but bulldozing and also by putting misleading information out there.
So right now, the assembly is supposed to.
Yes,
start
we
from
will.
6,
Yes,
so
yes, correct. We have approached some MLAs to take up the issue, in the assembly. Yeah, and we are hoping that this is our program. This is our second phase of the program. We did the first phase by writing letters to the various agencies and whatever going in delegation. We had an action like this in Margao as well. Today is the start of our second phase of this campaign against DRS, and we, like I said, the assembly is also overlapping with our campaign that is going on, and we are hoping that in the assembly itself they will make the announcement that they are scrapping this policy. We have no objection if they put in a container, container deposit machine. A container deposit machine which is all over in the world. Like they are also trying to say it's all over the world, but all over the world you put your item, you get cash. There is no deposit or anything like that.
there is
Yeah.
no link with the bank.
There is no link with the bank that you actually get physical cash in your hand when you put your item, and there is no you don't have to put a deposit. So if they want to create awareness, to save the environment, then you put a container deposit machine. No, not a reverse deposit machine. Reverse is what? Reverse vending machine they are called. Because the reverse, when you go to a vending machine, you put something, you get something. Here you're putting something, and but you're not getting cash. They're saying it will go to your phone, it will go to your bank account, and other linked bank account. So we are it's highly objectionable.
But do you think Goa is ready for that?
Goa is not ready at all, because we are standing here, we are asking people, do you know what DRS is?
Nobody knows.
Prominent people of Panjim have passed here and asked us, and when we have asked them, do you know what deposit refund scheme is? They are saying we don't. And many of the associations also, are very supportive and have written to the government also. Like GCCI, then they have this, the Waste Management Association, then you have the beverage companies, but they all have association. So, they have all written as well to the government.
So you are going to take this awareness in the villages also, or only in the cities?
At the moment, our next phase will be up to the 30th of March, which is International Day of Zero Waste. So we are saying create awareness about the zero waste. If you go around and have a look, what is the waste that is lying on the roads? It's the plastic, plastic which is less than 50 microns. Yeah, and there was already enforcement teams in place to deal with that. But instead of dealing with that, they are trying to raise a deposit on this packaging. When this packaging was evolving, if you remember, like right in the beginning, आमी पसऱ्यार वयताले आमकां न्यूजपेपरान सुतली बांदून दिताले, आमी दुधाच्यो बॉटलीन घेताले. Correct. But the packaging has evolved over the years. Nobody consulted the consumer about the packaging. We never asked for this packaging. So why are we being burdened now? Even then, we as consumers are doing our due diligence by giving it to the recyclers, But if this thing comes into place, even the recyclers will suffer, because all of this will go in the machine. That is what they are envisaging, that it will go in the machine, and they will not get this recycling. So the value of the recycled products will go to this one company. Understood? Yeah. So our third phase will start on the 1st of April to the 5th of June, where we will be approaching all the rest of the panchayats who we have not reached out, the women, especially the women members, and we are telling everybody to object to this. And
over there where you have displayed, you even got the raffles. So
Yes.
the rental will also be charged.
Yes, from 2 rupees to 10 rupees they say. But who knows whether it will go to
There is
20
no-
and it will go
there
to
is no
30.
standard.
No standard. Yeah. So if you go on their website, they have given you some kind of, you know, what
On the
they are
website they
going
have
to
the
charge.
information.
Yeah. So actually, these is not a problem for waste which is being thrown on the road. Yeah. I'm Lorna from the Goa Women's Forum, and these are our volunteers. We come from various villages in North and South Goa. If you want, I can introduce you to them. Yeah. This is Michelle from Kurtori. This is Marianne from Maksa. This is Cyprian from Paroda. Apolline from Thivi. Josephine from Thivi. Bertha from Kunkoli. Nancy from Aldona. And Barbara from Nehru.
So you have a mix of
Yes,
women from
yes,
different
from
parts of
various parts of